Zhuhai, with that beautiful sky, a great place to let the days go by. Oh, oh, Zhuhai, ha, 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 ha. Take me, take me, take me away. Take me today. Show me, show me, show me a way to see more of Zhuhai today.
Okay, way down there is the opera house of Zhuhai and the beach and the ocean. But what I want to do is just kind of show stuff that's like inland a little bit and what it might look like in other parts of Zhuhai. And right over here we have this big welcome sign. So we're going to stroll down. So there's the welcome sign right there. Welcome. And then we just kind of go down a little bit. And we're going to just explore around here and just kind of see what's all down in here. Okay. So stay tuned for that. We got our welcome sign right there. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, there's an opera house. So yeah, basically you have all this stuff for tourists, for Chinese tourists basically. This welcome sign, I looked down the street, it doesn't look that interesting to me in particular. So what I think I'm gonna do, there's a welcome sign, we'll just take one more look and then I might just go to the ocean instead and we'll see what kind of fruits they got out here. Yeah, it looks like they got all these signs, that's all same color code, the welcome signs, and it goes all the way down. But it doesn't look that interesting. Could be interesting in the nighttime though. So we got lots of different fruits here. Wow, these leaves are huge. In this part of South China, you got amazing trees everywhere. So yeah, I guess this is a whole little market in here probably. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it's huge. Okay. So this is probably more interesting to go through. Sometimes I don't like it when you go through these with the camera. Eel, it's one of my favorite sushi. So yeah, okay. Yeah, sometimes I don't like it, so we'll just kind of cruise through without focusing too much on any particular place. Yeah, sometimes I'll say something, but because I'm a foreigner, they might not know how to say it. Got a lot of fresh fish. They're a little bit sensitive about it because of well, I'm not going to talk about that. But we're going to walk through it and I'm going to try to see if we can get out the other end. But there's definitely a lot of fresh items here. So we're gonna I'm gonna get out of the market. The markets are amazing because you have fresh items, right? But they're also controversial because I'm not going to talk about it. I'm just showing you what's here. We're going to meander about. So yeah, funny enough, that little sign that said welcome was down here. So I think more than anything what we're seeing is these are all bringing stuff off from the ports. So we started down there. There's a sign that said welcome. This was actually a whole little fish market. Let's get out of the way here. Fish and fresh. That's probably a truck that's bringing stuff somewhere. We could meander down this way. Let's go down this way. Yeah, so basically, I just like to show the city. Yeah, these are kind of cool. Spicy. Like if you're in lots of parts of China, you'll see streamers and tourists, you know, with cameras everywhere. But I like to go places where the tourists aren't at. So sometimes I kind of concerned that, you know, maybe people might not like the camera, especially if it's in like a fish market like that. Because I don't know if you can film in there or not. Okay, so we're going to come out. Lots of fish related stuff here everywhere. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a decision to go either left or right based on what I see. What looks interesting. That's left. I guess right looks more interesting because you can walk towards the ocean. And then maybe I can label this accordingly. I can say it's like fish market, red market, whatever. Across from the opera house or something. I do that appropriately. I need to go to the opera house, show it to you. So I guess we're gonna be heading that way. Got all this stuff. I guess you're gonna throw that away. Okay, let's look up a little bit. See what we got going on in here. Got some apartments with some nice views of the ocean right there. And yeah, we're gonna follow the tourists and go right to the ocean. And then we can tie this one into the fish market there. Jinding, this is north. All of that is north. North takes you away from Macau. South takes you towards Macau. But right where we're at here, the opera house is probably like 5 kilometers away from the border with Macau. These are all rental bikes. Later they'll pick these up, color code them on the truck, take all the yellows and put them on some truck, put them all together. But right now they're kind of all mixed. South China trees. So I think when we get to the end, we're gonna see the opera house and kind of a boardwalk. Then I have to make a decision what I'm gonna do. But yeah, anyways. There's police right here guiding traffic. Today is a Sunday. Maybe something going on. And then straight ahead you can actually see a fire. Huh. There's a fire over there. Right over there. Let's get over there. Okay, so yeah, we actually had a fire right there. We got ambulances all the way down that way. Fire. And then we also have the, so that's going to be the ending spot, and I'm going to probably catch that. But yeah, oddly it looks like there's, I don't know if there's a boat or a car, but that is the opera house right there. Let me just give you a little bit of a 360 before we end the video. Beautiful skyline right there. Yeah, we were just back in there just a little bit to that little market, which you wouldn't think it's so different when you get here. We're gonna end the video right there.